What's up, guys? It's Fernando, and I have Sandy. And today we're going to be going to Fredericksburg. Come and join us. All right, welcome to Hamilton. Just driving by some old towns. These buildings look like they're going to fall apart. We're going to be going to Texas Hill Country, which is Fredericksburg, and we packed our bags quickly and started driving down the old town roads down south, about 250 miles from Dallas-Fort Worth. What are we gonna do, baby?
We're gonna go to Fredericksburg, hit Main Street, drink a lot of wine. Yeah, and do a lot of walking, make it up.
And hopefully, I heard there's a hill that you can climb. We're gonna try and climb that hill and see if we can survive a climb up a hill.
And I gotta stop buying some tennis shoes because I didn't bring the proper shoes.
Why didn't you bring any tennis shoes, baby?
I forgot.
Oh my gosh. Oh well. She's gonna have to deal with her Crocs.
Ah, my Crocs!
Look at those Crocs. We should be able to have a good time. We've never been to Fredericksburg, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Let us know what you want to see on the next vlog. And if you enjoy this kind of content, definitely like, subscribe, and share to your friends.
Don't forget to ring the bell.
Bing. What's up, guys? We finally made it to Fredericksburg. We're just walking around town, just taking a look at Main Street, browsing the shops, taking a look at all the wine tasting places they have, some breweries, the National Museum of the Pacific War. We're going to check that out tomorrow morning. All right, here's some history of Nimitz Hotel. Charles Henry Nimitz Sr. Some more history. And we got this statue here. Come over here and get some ice cream. Fudge Factory. And we have that Jelly Belly fatty over there. That's cool. So you can buy these locks over here. They're called Lovelocks. Cheers, guys. I got the mother clucking chicken, and then she got the BLTA, got avocado, bacon, lettuce, and tomato, and it looks pretty good. Let's see what these taste like. Got my ranch dressing. All right, mother cluckers, try this out. Dip it in ranch. Look at that. Looks pretty good, right? That's a big piece of chicken. Look how thick that is. It tastes really good in the ranch dressing. All right, now my lady's gonna try the BLTA.
I'll do the happy man.
Pretty cool. So as you can see, the bed is right in the middle when you first walk in. We have some nice curtains. And then the bathroom is actually kind of nice. It's got a nice big walk-in shower. It looks like everything's been updated. Now we're gonna go check out the pool outside. All right, so here we have the pool area, and it looks like there's a hot tub. They have a lot of seating here, which is nice. Arriving at Fredericksburg right when the sun was coming out. The temperature rose to 82 degrees. It's March 24th today.
Yep.
And
can't keep up with the dates.
Yeah, this month is flying by. Overall, so far so good. What do you guys think? Have you been to Fredericksburg? Do you have any hot spots to go to? We're definitely going to check out a winery tomorrow. They turned on the lights for us.
Oh, it's a red bird. Honey, it's a little red bird.
A cardinal?
Yeah. It's over there. It's a cardinal. It's a cardinal.
Oh, I don't see it.
It's in the plant. In the plant.
Oh, in the plant?
Yeah.
It's camouflage because it's red.
It's in there. I see it. We're getting a visitor from Henry. Look, baby, look at it. Isn't it pretty?
Oh, there it is. Inside. There it is again. It flew right behind.
It's right behind you right now.
Who's the bird, honey?
It's Lance Reddick.
Or Paul Walker?
Yes. It came
I don't
to
think Paul Walker would come to Fredericksburg.
He was gonna come and visit us. He was gonna be like, "Hello, Mr. Wick. Look at it. It's right there. Oh, hey, buddy.
Oh, yeah. You see it?
You are not able to zoom in, right? It's staring
Yeah,
right
I can
at
zoom
us.
in.
He's so beautiful.
There's a red cardinal, folks.
It keeps coming.
That's
over
good
here
luck.
to this side.
I think a red cardinal is someone from your past life visiting you.
I think it's Lance Riddick. I never met him, but
All right, just one last view of the pool before we head out. Very pretty at night with all the lights. Beautiful bright lights out here in the pool with this beautiful lady.